Good morning, friends. So I wanted to talk about something. Fasciation seems to be filling my feed right now. It's occurring pretty much across the board. It used to be pretty rare, and now it seems to be everywhere. I'm in zone 6, and I've seen it in my dandelions, which isn't uncommon. But I also found it in cannabis, and we've also found it in watermelon. So I think that's kind of unusual. We haven't had any kind of frost that would damage the growth tip to trigger that stress response. And we don't use any kind of chemicals or pesticides. So something else seems to be happening. I'm seeing a lot, and I think something's up. I've heard some conspiracy theories that there are some whistleblowers out there saying that there are some chemicals being sprayed at night. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Have you heard anything? Do you know of anything? Because what once was rare seems to be awful common. Alright, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.